What if the carbohydrates you just ate aren't the biggest problem, but what you do during the next 10 minutes is? Most people finish a meal containing bread, rice, pasta, or potatoes and immediately sit down. But one simple habit may help your muscles use some of the glucose circulating in your bloodstream. You don't need supplements, expensive equipment, or a difficult workout. Welcome back to the Matchmaker diet, where we match everyday foods with simple habits that may support steadier energy and a healthier blood sugar response. When you eat carbohydrates, your body breaks many of them down into glucose. That glucose enters your bloodstream, and insulin helps move it into your cells for energy. Carbohydrates are not automatically bad, but the type, portion size, what you eat with them, and what you do afterward can affect your post-meal blood sugar response. This is where walking comes in. When your muscles contract, they need energy. Moving after a meal can help your muscles use some glucose from your bloodstream for fuel. You don't need to run or work up a sweat. A gentle 10-minute walk may make a difference compared with remaining seated. Try walking shortly after a meal containing rice, pasta, potatoes, bread, cereal, or fruit. You could walk around your neighborhood, workplace, or home. The goal isn't to punish yourself for eating carbohydrates. It's simply to avoid sitting still after your meal. For an even better match, combine this habit with a balanced meal. Pair carbohydrates with protein, fiber, or healthy fat. For example, pair rice with chicken and vegetables, fruit with Greek yogurt or nuts, or toast with eggs. Here is the simple 10-minute routine. Walk slowly for the first 2 minutes. For the next 6 minutes, walk at a comfortable pace. You should still be able to talk without becoming breathless. For the final 2 minutes, slow down. If you can't go outside, walk through your home, march gently in place, or take laps around your hallway. If 10 minutes feels difficult, start with 5. A post-meal walk isn't a magic cure, and it doesn't replace medical treatment or regular exercise. But it is a simple habit that costs nothing and may support a healthier post-meal glucose response. So, the next time you eat carbohydrates, don't immediately sit down. Match your food with 10 minutes of movement. Subscribe to the Matchmaker diet for more simple food pairings and practical health habits. Tell me, would you rather walk after breakfast, lunch, or dinner?